First, we carefully remove the hood, doors, and bumpers. Every part is cataloged and organized before we tackle the engine and suspension.
The restoration begins with stripping the car to its bare bones. Every inch of rust must be removed. Only then can the real rebuild begin.
This Suzuki FX body is finally getting the attention it deserves. Rusted floor panels and door sills are cut and replaced with fresh metal, as professional repairs ensure it will last for years to come.
Every classic restoration demands absolute precision. Our skilled mechanics, the iconic lines are brought back to factory perfection. Flawless bodywork is the foundation of our craft.